You guys gonna go down?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you. Go!
Go, Liza, go!
That looked like fun. Are you gonna come, Henry?
No.
Come on down the slide, pal. Come on.
Wait, I have to put some snow down there.
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't fall off. Whoa.
Okay, come on down.
No. I got snow.
Come on. You guys gotta hurry.
Push it down.
Okay, that's enough.
No, that's enough. No. Go. No, stop, Eliza. It's mine.
Was that fun? Okay, now you go, Eliza.
I have to get snow.
Okay,
Is that the snow palette?
that's plenty of snow. Let's go, Eliza. We gotta go home and get some hot chocolate.
And look, Eliza, I'm putting
Okay, come on, Henry.
Snow.
All